Hey, this is Ronald from Math Skills University, and today this is a quick pro tip on how I remastered First Light, the James Bond video game trailer. And this was done by Lana and David Arnold, who did a phenomenal job. However, today I want to go back old school and I want to replace the voices and the instruments with real editing effects and real sound effects. And I did this whole thing in 30 minutes. And you can do everything I did in Davinci Resolve 21, the free version, because I use no studio tools whatsoever. With that said, I also linked the original trailer below. And the song I'm using is called The Thirst by Belladonna Strings. I linked that as well. And then the bullet hole that I use is from PNG.com. And I also linked that below as well. Also check out Tiny Tina's Wonderlands remastered trailer. With that said, it's very simple to do. Once you find the song, and this song is perfect for this video, I started with the explosion where we destroyed the assets. The first explosion was far away, and I did the editing here in a couple of cuts, and this is my final edit. So of course, some things are embedded in the sound up here. Then I brought that explosion. Then I brought that explosion closer and inserted some camera shakes. And again, everything that I'm doing here can be done in Davinci Resolve 21, the free version. A lot of sound effects. That's what makes video trailers cool. And here when he lit the flame, you had to hear that flame light. I wanted to hear footsteps here and have it blend in with the video. And here you have to have transitions and sound effects. And then there's always a delay in James Bond trailers like that. That's a delayed sound effect. And here I X'd out this song and put in this song first. And again, I added a lot of sound effects. Even here, I added some to make it sound more digital, even when she pops up. And here, instead of an instrument when she points, I wanted something more sci-fi. Then I took that same sound effect and I reversed, and here I added something else. Then I took the sci-fi effect and I reversed it right here. Just add reverse to it. All sound effects, as you can see. And one thing that bothered me is that he did not shoot his pistol. He always shoots his pistol. But there's always that delayed effect with the bullet that he shoots in his video trailers. And then right here, when it hits, and the bullet hole appears, I added an effect edgy to that. And the bullet hole is a ping file composited to color dodge. But you had to have that transition with the sound here, him turning. That's so James Bond. Delay, impact. More sound effects right here. And now I add an echo to this because we're in this hall, and the chandelier is going to brighten up and then go out. So here I added an effect glow. Then when it falls, it has to make a sound, and it's going to shake. And right here, you had to have a camera shake, right? And slow it down. And this reminds me of Max Payne. And when he hit this door, you had to hear the door open. And now we're in this weird Max Payne kind of scene. And it gets scary and eerie and there's horror. Then it goes from horror to sci-fi with the warps and things like that. That's how I saw this. Especially this right here. The warp. And if you are a video gamer or you do gameplay and things like that, you can insert your own music to these trailers if it's a cool trailer like this. What do you think? If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Peace.